Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the outfit and add accessories to your avatar that you have added to your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and start creating your video. Then you should tap on this clothing icon or this t-shirt icon on the right side of the screen. That's the fourth option. Here you can select from a bunch of categories such as all, dress, special, top, outwear, and so on. Tap on the relevant category, and if you would like to add any accessories, tap on the relevant one. Here you can select from hairstyles as well. So when you are done, tap onto the screen and it will be added to your avatar, as you can see here. So here you can remove items by tapping on the ones that you have already selected. And in a few seconds you will be able to see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.